What's up everyone? It's Dinelle from Audiophile Trading and it's tool time.
Shine bright up all night, we're never slowing down. Fall in love, drunk mistakes, we're bound to hit the ground. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now, do it like it's only today.
Today we're talking about strippers. Everyone loves strippers and today we have three wonderful models to introduce you to. Let's get to it. So our first lovely model is from KAD Tools and the model number is 11049. You can check it out. It's a stripper that works from 18 gauge down to 10 gauge. Very versatile, one of the best in our ensemble. Next up is an equally versatile model. It's from Blue Point. It's the PWC 16A. She's a favorite. This is my go-to for everything. And last up is one of my oldest strippers. She's been around for quite some time. This is a Blue Point PWC 27. It is a semi-automatic wire stripper that goes from a 10 gauge all the way down to 22 gauge. It guarantees a clean strip every time. However, it's tedious. It takes some doing. It takes a lot of action to get her going. So what I want to know is put these strippers to work. I want to show you how well they strip. Let's get to it. So as I said, we've got some clients to strip. Let's check them out. We have a piece of 8 gauge, 10 gauge, 12, 14, 16, 18. Let's put them to work. So first up is our client. So it's an 18 gauge. As you can see, it's a nice clean strip all the way through. Let's do the same thing with our old special. This one you have to feel, so many times you miss. It's not a clean cut. It's not as clean as this. Last up is this guy. Just as clean as the first one every time. So this is a very easy wire. We're not worried about this. What about the 10 gauge? So let's try this one. Oh, it's a lot of effort. There we go. Let's try with this guy. So it's a 10 gauge. We're going in 10 gauge slot. You realize it's a lot of effort, but it's a very clean cut. Let's try our favorite. There we go. Perfection in cut. These marks are because the jaw compresses against the wire. You see that? Okay, these are easy wires. What about an 8 gauge? This will not do. We can try this one. You have to make sure and score the insulation. See that? Going again. Oh, that's horrible. That's terrible. Look at that. You can see the damage. There's a lot of loose wire. That's not good. We're gonna try this one. It does have an 8 gauge. 1, 2, and we release. As you can see, it's a perfect cut. It's a perfect cut. So, as you've seen, we've put these strippers to work. Some are really good at what they do, and I've just shown that no one stripper can satisfy all of the jobs we ask it to. It's specific, and as much as we would like to have one stripper that takes care of all of our needs, we need more than one. Everyone loves a good stripper. Thanks for joining in Tool Time. Take care.